Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome once again to our technical English lesson for grade 11. We are still in Unit 4, and the title of our lesson is Communications 1. It's on page 30 of the course book. Let's look at the objectives. We have two objectives. Number 1, scan a text to find information to answer a multiple choice quiz on statistics of communications satellite. Number 2, identify the main stages of receiving satellite broadcasts by labeling a diagram after reading a text. Now, let's look at some words we will be using in this lesson. Satellite, satellite dish, signal, transmit, receiver, monitor, frequency, convert, and the last one, broadcast. Now let's take a look at them one by one. Our first word is a satellite. A satellite is a device that has been sent into space and goes around the Earth, used for radio, television, and other electronic communication. Next we have satellite dish. A satellite dish is a large circular piece of equipment that people have on the outside of their houses that receives signal from satellite so that they can receive satellite television. Next, signal. A signal is a series of electrical or radio waves that are sent to a radio or television in order to produce a sound, picture, or message. We have transmit. To transmit means to send out electronic signals, messages, etc., using radio, television, or other similar equipment. Then we have receiver. This is a receiver. A receiver is a piece of equipment that changes radio and television signals into sounds and pictures. And we have monitor. A monitor is a computer screen or a device with a screen on which words or pictures can be shown. Then we have frequency. Frequency is the number of radio waves, sound waves, etc. that pass any point per second. We have convert. Convert means to change something into a different form. And our last word is broadcast. Broadcast is a television or radio program. Now let's do our first task. Open your course books to page 30. Exercise 1. What do you know about communications satellite? Do this quiz with a partner all the numbers are approximate. How high are communications satellites above the Earth? You choose one of these options. Number 2. How fast do these satellites travel around the Earth? Number 3. What frequency are signals from a communications satellite to your satellite dish? Number 4. What frequency are the signals from a satellite dish to your TV? Guess the answers if you don't know about communications satellites. You're going to scan a text to find the answers later. Now go to task 2 on the same page. Task 2. Practice your speed reading. Look for information you need on the speed search page 118 to 119. Try to be the first to complete this task. The task is check your answers to the quiz in 1. Now scan quickly for the answers and check if your answers after reading are the same as your guesses. Remember, when you scan, you don't need to read every word of the text. Pause the video and scan the text. Good. Let's check the answers together. Number 1, let's go to the next task. Still on page 30, exercise 3. Read this instruction leaflet and label the diagram with the words in the box. Label this diagram with these words: computer, dish, DTV card, feed horn, satellite, TV, and TV station. First, try to guess the answers before reading the text. Pause the video and try to guess the answers. Good. Now, read the text and compare the two answers. Excellent. Did you guess the right answers? Let's check the answers together. Number 1, very good. Now let's round off our lesson with a matching activity to check our understanding about the words in the reading activity. We have pictures here, names, and then descriptions here. Match pictures with names and descriptions. We have feed horn, communications satellite, dish, DTV card, and for the descriptions we have extract the video and audio and place them via PC monitor and speakers. We have in orbit high above the Earth. And we have a component of a satellite dish that converts high frequency signal into lower frequency. And the last one receives high frequency signals and reflects them to the feed horn. Now, pause the video and do the matching. Good. Let's check the answers. Very good. This is the end of our lesson. Thank you for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.